The EUUKAITARY Fingerprint Door Lock offers a versatile 6-in-1 keyless entry system, providing unparalleled convenience with options like fingerprint, passcode, app, voice commands, card, and physical key. With built-in Wi-Fi, this smart lock allows remote control via an app, making it ideal for managing access from any location, whether you are at the beach or in a boardroom. The lock features bank-grade fingerprint security with a rapid intelligent chip recognition system, ensuring quick and secure access without the hassle of traditional keys. Effortless code management allows users to create permanent, temporary, or one-time passcodes, making it perfect for various situations like family reunions or Airbnb turnovers. The auto-locking function, combined with anti-peep technology, ensures security and privacy while being powered by 4 AA batteries for up to 5 months, with reminders for low power. Installation is a breeze with the 10-minute do-it-yourself setup, accommodating standard doors and offering a stress-free upgrade to a secure digital door lock.